Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Smorgasbord Kitchen. Today, we'll be making gluten-free muffins. We'll need 1 cup of almond flour, a half of a cup of brown rice flour, a half of a cup of oat flour, 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Once we've whisked this together, we'll set it aside and prepare our wet ingredients. We'll take 1 egg, and 1/3 cup of sugar, which we'll whisk together. Then we'll add a cup of water, 1/3 cup of oil, and then whisk it again. After which, we'll mix in our dry ingredients, making sure no dry spots remain. Next, we'll stir in 1 cup of either fruit, nuts, or chocolate chips. Now that our batter is done, we'll prepare a pan with muffin papers and scoop the batter evenly into them. The muffins will be baked in a 375-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. If you enjoy this recipe, give the video a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. Thanks, and see you next time.